Hey there, fellow shoppers. If you're an Amazon Prime member with a Visa card, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into how to use your Amazon Prime Visa at Whole Foods to score some awesome rewards and make your grocery runs even more rewarding. Let's get started. First off, why bother? The Amazon Prime Visa card offers 5% back on purchases at Whole Foods, which can add up quickly if you're a regular shopper. It's a simple way to turn your everyday shopping into savings. But before you head to the store, make sure you have everything set up. Step 1. Ensure you have your Amazon Prime Visa card. If you don't have one yet, you can apply through the Amazon website. It's linked directly to your Prime account, so activation is straightforward. Once you have it, double-check that your Prime membership is active. That's the key to unlocking those rewards. Step 2. When you're at Whole Foods, just shop as you normally would. Pick up your organic produce, grab some ready-made meals, or stock up on household essentials. The beauty of this card is that it works seamlessly with Whole Foods' everyday items. Step 3. At checkout, simply hand over your Amazon Prime Visa card or use the Tap to Pay feature if it's contactless. No special codes or apps needed, it's that easy. Your purchases will automatically qualify for the 5% cash back as long as you're shopping in store or online through Whole Foods. Now, for the perks. You'll earn rewards on top of any other Whole Foods deals, like sales or coupons. These points can be redeemed for statement credits or even used towards future Amazon purchases. Pro tip. Always check the Amazon app for any additional promotions to maximize your savings. In conclusion, using your Amazon Prime Visa at Whole Foods is a hassle-free way to earn back on your spending. Give it a try on your next trip and watch those rewards pile up. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.